Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the dark mode on the Hotmart application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hotmart application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the start button, which you can tap on and then proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage, within which you will find the settings icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will see various different settings. However, there is no particular option to turn on or turn off dark mode, which means the application will follow whichever setting your device is set as. So if you wish to use dark mode, simply pull down the notification bar from your device, and then from the quick navigation bar, scroll down once again, and then tap on the dark mode option to turn it on. Once dark mode has been enabled on your device, you can go back to the Hotmart application and you will notice that the application is also running within the dark mode. If you wish to change back into the light mode setting, you can follow the same steps and then turn off the dark mode from the notifications bar. And as soon as the dark mode is turned off, you will see that the Hotmart application will also run within light mode. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable dark mode on the Hotmart application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.